Well, it's summer, and there is no better time to head out and experience the great outdoors. In today's sponsored segment, Nisha DeGaring takes a look at what Parris RV has to offer.
It's finally June, and it's probably the perfect time to get your family into an RV just like this one. I'm at Parris RV with Brett. And Brett, remember those episodes of Cribs we used to watch all those years ago?
You know,
on MTV?
Yeah, this is absolutely incredible.
I feel like this could be on one of those episodes.
Yeah, you know, if you just flat out need the very best, that's what this is. It's a 2021. It's an Alliance is the manufacturer. The brand is a Paradigm, and the model's a 370 FB. And what FB means is front bath, because it's got the most incredible front bath you've ever seen.
So let's talk about the outside for a second and then give people a look inside.
Yeah, so one of the things that's really cool is it's got a huge storage compartment. They call that the Hercules storage. They actually took the chassis rail and they cut it and they welded it down below the main chassis rail to give you an extreme amount of underneath storage without taking away or sacrificing from your bedroom. It's still full size in there. And then the other thing that's really nice is it's got 6-point one-touch auto level jacks, and what that means is you just hit one button and the thing auto levels out. It's hydraulic auto leveling and 6-point. Super nice.
I'm too excited. Let's go inside. You've got to see this, everybody.
It's got 4 slide outs, which make it really big and open and roomy. It's what they call a wide body, so it's actually 5 inches wider than a standard fifth wheel. And you know, you take that times the 40 feet with those wider slides and it gets you a lot of extra square footage without towing any additional length down the road. Super awesome.
That is the biggest fridge I've seen.
18 cubic foot gas fridge. So it's still an RV fridge, which is nice, but it's 18 cubic feet. It's huge. It's got a great big island. It's got a fireplace with storage behind it. In fact, it's got all kinds of hideaway storage, a king bed, 4 slide outs, made for year-round use. I mean, anything you can think of, you can do with this.
You didn't talk about the walk-in closet in the master bedroom. You actually get to walk in, and there's spots for all of your shoes.
Yeah, you know, so that, obviously the master suite is absolutely incredible, that king bed with that 4th slide out. But then, you know, you walk into that big, huge front bathroom, and you're right, great big walk-in front closet with space for your shoes. But that shower with the fold-down seat is really just like home.
It's so true, and there's no like turning sideways in this to get where you're going. You have so much room and room for your stuff in every nook and cranny. This is cool from top to bottom.
You got theater seats in the back. You can stretch out, recliners, you know, incredible sound system, indoor, outdoor, you know, sound. You got TVs, everything you need really to go full time in an RV like this.
Yeah, Brent, you don't spend the weekend in this. You spend the entire summer in something like this.
You could spend the weekend, you could spend the summer in the mountains, or what I'd love to do is take this thing and go south for the winter. That'd be the very best.
Parris RV, everybody. 2 locations. We'll link you to all of their information on our website. Go to abc4.com. Come say hi to Brett. If this isn't for you, which I'd be shocked if it's not for you, there's so many other RVs. It would be perfect for your family. Thanks, Brett.
Thank you.